Good morning, MGMC. I'm Michael.
And I'm Raya.
Here's your announcements for this morning.
If you're a visitor here today, please fill out the tearaway portion and turn it into the welcome desk in the back. When you do, you will receive a special CD by Pastor Ron Yoshida called Simple Songs of Love. You can either get Simple Songs of Love 1 or Simple Songs of Love 2. You're gonna love it.
Our next announcement is the marriage class, which starts up next week Sunday, August 26th at 8:10 in room B1. Sign up on the tearaway portion of the bulletin and turn it into the Cool Bowl up front. It's gonna be a great class whether you are married or you're thinking about getting married. I'm not married, but I know that when I do get married, I'm gonna be taking this class. So sign up today.
Our final announcement is that our foundations class actually starts today. It's at 10 o'clock in room B1. It's a great opportunity for you to grow in your relationship with God, and it's for free. You wouldn't want to miss it, so just go.
Well, that's it for announcements.
We hope you have a great service and an even better week.
Aloha.